Assalamu alaikum. I believe everyone is doing really well. In this video, I'll be talking about how to learn Arabic language. How did I learn Arabic language? Um, it was not that easy for me. It was very challenging for me to learn Arabic language. When I was a kid, I went to a Quran memorization school and I memorized the whole Quran. I could read Arabic language very well, but the problem was that I couldn't understand anything what I was reading in Quran. Okay, so this was very challenging. And after completing my hifz, after completing the memorization of the Holy Quran, I got into primary school and then secondary school and then higher secondary school. We had plenty of subjects to learn Arabic language, but the problem was that the curriculum was designed in a way that I didn't learn anything in Arabic language to understand Arabic language. We always actually I shouldn't say we, rather I should have complained about myself that I looked at Arabic language as just a subject that I would study only for exam, and I would go to the exam and I would just write whatever we have or whatever I have memorized before the exam. That was the only plan. I didn't have any fascination to learn Arabic language, um, only but thinking it as a subject. So that was one of the main problem, that I didn't focus that much. Yeah, I would say that uh, it was my lack to not giving full attention. And later, after completing higher secondary school, I took admission uh, in Quranic Sciences and Islamic Studies department at a university, which is International Islamic University. Oh my God. Uh, this department is completely dependent on Arabic language. If you are not familiar with Arabic language here, then you will not do well in this department that much because you have to do everything in Arabic. All right. The first initial 6 months, which is first semester was quite easy because in first semester we just went into the basic Arabic stuff, all right? Basic Arabic thing like kaifa haluka and صباح الخير صباح النور مساء الخير مساء النور هذا أخي هذه أختي. These are the things that we learned in the first 6 months. So I started enjoying the first semester of my graduation, but the problem started, the challenging part started when I got into second semester. Oh my God. Second semester was like, I got into ocean from a swimming pool. Swimming pool was my, first semester, and second semester became like an ocean. Okay. It was too hard to, go to that journey. I was completely frustrated to understand everything lectured by the teacher. On the other hand, I also had to write everything in Arabic also in exam. That was also a challenging part. Everything was in Arabic, and it was sometimes I felt that every single word is like a mountain, a mountain to climb up. Okay, it was so difficult for me because I had no knowledge of nahu, as-sarf, right? Arabic grammar is very important. We also need to remember that if you want to learn Arabic, then the first step should be to learn Arabic grammar. Arabic grammar is the main challenge to learn Arabic language. But although I was facing many challenges, but I had some well-wishers, some friends, those who were helping me to, take me out of this situation. They guided me, and Alhamdulillah, uh, right now I can say that, yeah, I have got the foundation of Arabic language. So now I would share with you guys some steps how you can learn Arabic language or how you can start learning Arabic language. First of all, you have to be crazy and thirsty to learn Arabic. This rule will also not be applied to learn Arabic language, rather to everything. Whatever you want to learn, you have to be crazy. You have to be thirsty. Okay, you are not crazy, then you will not be able to achieve it. Okay, so motivation is very much important. Motivation is key. You have to have that plan. You have to have that craziness that whatever would happen, I will be learning this. I will be learning this. I'll be spending my time. I will give my 100%. All right. So that's the main important thing. Being desire. You have to have desire. All right. So all set. You have got craziness in you. You are totally ready to learn. Then go for a mentor. Okay, go for a mentor who will guide you, who will show you the path to learn Arabic language. It even happened with me when I started thinking to learn Arabic language. There were some people around me, those who were trying to guide me. Some people were saying that, hey, you go for you know you go for learning, you go for reading newspapers, you go for reading magazines. Okay, or some other people was saying that, yeah, you go for memorizing vocabularies, new vocabularies, that will help. Yeah, these are very significant suggestions, but I would tell you that don't go for every single suggestion. Rather try to look at the suggestion which will suit you, which will need you. Why you will go to that type of suggestion that would be hard for you? You don't know anything about Arabic grammar, and if you go for reading newspaper, how would be that decision? Would not be that what should I say? Would not be that wrong? Definitely, that would be wrong. So go for that type of mentor, or that mentor. The mentor would help you what type of medicine you need for your illness. Okay, try to find out a mentor who will give you suggestion particularly for you. All right, avoid other suggestions that will not suit you. So that's number two, that finding a mentor, and a perfect mentor, appropriate mentor for you. Then I would go for, as I told you already, that uh, learning grammar is challenging. Learning grammar is main gate get into the world of kingdom of Arabic language. Sarf and nahu, very much important. You have to dedicate a quality amount of time every single day to learn sarf and nahu. I would say, as you have already, although you have got a mentor, try to take admission into a course, or try to take admission into a school or an institution where Arabic grammar is dedicatedly taught. Okay, then if you get stuck, or if you get into a course, then you would see, you would get a journey, you would get a phase, you would get a team to go together, to learn together. When you would see that some other people are also learning, beside you, would see a motivation. You would be able to have an environment to learn Arabic grammar. That's why I would say go for a course, or get into an institution, because Arabic Sarf, Nahu, all right, these are not that easy. You have to have that plan to get into an institution, to have an environment. All right, as you are done Arabic grammar, now go for to apply to, these Arabic grammar to the Arabic, Arabic passages. Okay, so there are some people around us, those who learn Arabic grammar a lot. They're always busy with learning sarf and nahu, sarf and nahu. Yeah, I'm learning sarf, I'm learning nahu. Oh my God, sarf and learning sarf and nahu is not everything. Now try to apply this knowledge, the knowledge that you have of Sarf and Nahu, whatever the knowledge, minimal knowledge of, Sarf and Nahu. Now apply it. Take a book, okay? Take a book. If you are at least confident, a little confident, then go for a book. Start reading easy books. Try to start with very easy books, and you know, try to understand every single word. Okay, whatever the word you got, try to dissect it, try to understand it. Suppose ذهب خالد إلى البيت. What is the word ذهب? Is this isim, فعل, harf? This is noun, this is verb, or this is preposition? And then go for gender. If it is isim, if it is noun, what is the gender of it? Is it mudhakkar or muannas? This is masculine or feminine? Then go for number. This is wahid, mudhakkar, jama. Which one? All right. واحد مذكر جمع, and definiteness or indefiniteness, this is ma'rifa or nakira. Try to dissect every single word. Okay, take a little passage and go to every single word and find out, try to understand what is the connection, what is the uh, you know mechanism of grammar. Okay, this is how little by little you will see that you got confidence to move forward. All right, then I would go for, five, improve four language skills together. Always look at Arabic as a skill. This is a skill that has four skills: speaking, reading, listening, writing. All right, you have to be competent, equally in every single skill. First of all, let's get started with speaking. Listen to Arabic content. As many you will listen, the the more you will listen, the more you will be better in speaking. Okay, listen to Arabic content, listen to Arabic Arabic cartoon, listen to Arabic easy dramas, listen to Arabic sentences, and try to talk to native speakers. You are using Facebook, I know that very well, and there are other applications also where you will get the chances, get the opportunities to be connected with the people from Arabic native speakers. Let me tell you some of the applications. What are the applications? I used actually some of the applications names: OpenTalk, OPEN space TALK, OpenTalk. This application is generally for learning English language. Okay, every people come here to learn English language, but I took it to use it in another way, which I got many people from Egypt, many people from Morocco, many people from many other Arabic countries, Kuwait, Qatar. So when they wanted to learn English, I told them that okay, we can learn both. We can learn English, we can learn Arabic together. Like 15 minutes. 15 minutes we'll be talking in English, and in the last 15 minutes we'll be talking in Arabic. This is how I did. And there are some other applications like there's a website named Free Talk for, maybe Free for Talk or Free Talk for. All right, you can search through Google. You'll find it. You will see many people from Arabian countries, and another application named Hello Talk that can also be used. Just try research, and you will find many applications to learn Arabic grammar. I mean, particularly speaking, you'll be able to speak with the people from Arabic native, countries. And then reading. Reading, I told you, read easy books. Okay, read easy books. Start with very easy passages. Start with very easy books. That books will be easier for you. Don't go for any difficult things. Don't try to be that smart that, oh my God, I'm super smart, let me try some difficult books. No, if you start with difficult things, you will be frustrated. You will tell them, oh my God, this is so difficult, that's not for me, I'm quitting. All right, so don't be that smart, that smart. So try to be realistic and go for easy books. Okay, I also I'm also uploading some of the videos of the book Al Arabiyatul Nashin with English translation. You can also check this book in my channel. You will find the playlist. And now, listening skill. Listen to Arabic videos daily. The way I told you for speaking, try to listen a lot. Okay, search in the YouTube bar, search bar, that 100 easy Arabic sentences. Okay, easy cartoons, easy Arabic cartoons, 100 easy Arabic sentences. Okay, whenever you are sleeping, suppose you are waiting for someone, you're on the bus, just put your earphone into your ear, then start listening. Okay, try to be full. Don't try to understand everything. You will not be able to understand at the very beginning. Initially, this is going to be too hard. So try to be adapted with the situation. Just put the earphone into your ear and just listen. Okay, maybe it will not, you will not understand, but listen. You do it for quality amount of time. Okay, then you will see the improvement, inshallah. And finally, writing. Start with simple sentences. Write everything you did in your daily life. Suppose uh, what you did today in your daily life. أولا ذهبت إلى الجامعة، ثم رجعت من الجامعة إلى البيت، ثم أكلت أو تناولت الغداء مع عائلتي هكذا. This is how you can use very easy sentences. Or you can also use phrases, part of sentences. Suppose you know تركيب الإضافي. What is تركيب الإضافي? تركيب الإضافي means uh, ورق الشجر, the leaf of the tree, ورق الشجرة. This is a part of the sentence. And you can also use تركيب التوصيفي, ولد جيد, good boy. ولد شقي, naughty boy. Something like the رجل أو رجل صالح, you know, good man, something like that. Masjidul Kabirun, big masjid. Try to pick up, part of sentences. And jumla ismi and jumla fi'liya. هذا ولد جيد. This is a good boy. All right. ذهب خالد إلى البيت. Khalid went to home. Something like that. So start with easy, quick, fun. Always, it must be easy, and it must be quick, and it must be nice, fun. All right. And finally, in number six, I would tell you that consistency in is very much important. You have to be a racer for long ride. Okay, you have to be a long-term planner. You have to have goal for at least 2 years. You will not be able to understand anything after 1 month. You will not even able to see any improvement after 2 months. You will not be even able to see you your improvement after 6 months. After 1 year you might get see some improvement. That's at that time your will uh, be starting to run. Okay, so try to have a plan for 2 years. Try to be a racer for long ride. Okay, try to be a horse for long ride. Stay determined and patient to see the real progress. So Arabic learning requires persistence and continuous effort. You have to have, continuous effort from your side. Keep practicing. Never lose hope. Okay, don't be motivated. Don't be demotivated. Don't lose your hope. Always be passionate. And yeah, that's it. If you follow these suggestions that I shared in this video, if you follow this and if you are persistent, then I believe, inshallah ta'ala, you will do good in the journey of learning Arabic grammar. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.